It takes only one step to start using sass for styling in Nextjs, and I'm going to show you. Let me first remove this thing that I have on the page and put something else here. So let me say welcome sass. If I go back to the page now, I just have this text here. Then I'll go ahead and delete the CSS styling, and also in the import I'm going to remove this guy here. So the styling is gone. Let me zoom in a bit. All we need to do to start using sass is to install it. So let me go ahead and install sass as a dev dependency. npm install as a dev dependency sass, and that is it. So let me show you a quick example by creating some basic styling here. I'll go back here and say global.scss. Of course, you can name this whatever you want. And like before, let me import the .scss file. Oh, let me name this globals.scss. And I'm importing it in the layout. You can import it to whatever component you want to import it to. Let me just apply some styling to this page to see that the sass is working. So over here to this page, let me give this a class of let's say container, and I'll come to this styling and say container. What I want to do is to center the content of the page. So display flex, let me use flex for that, and flex direction of row. This is just normal CSS. Align items center and justify content center. Now what just happened? Container and this, and I'm not sure why that is not working. Let me refresh this page. Oh, I need to restart the server. So the server is up now, and the page reloads. We see this guy centered at least horizontally. The reason it is not centered vertically is because of the height of this not this guy, because of the height of this div. To see that, let me just add a background color of grayish, something grayish, and you can see the height of the div. If you want to make this to take the minimum of the full height, so I'm going to say min height of 100, whatever the screen height is, and that should take the screen height. And for the h3, I think that should be h3 inside the page. Let's say color, give it a whitish color, and that changes to white. So you can see that the styling for using SCSS, that is sass, works, and all we needed to do was to install sass as a dev dependency. I hope this makes sense. Until next time, enjoy coding.